Hi, it's Mr. Panett. I'm creating another tutorial on how to create a citation using Noodletools. This time we are using an EBSCO database. It's from the Research at CT databases that are also available through the school's website. Once again, we're going to use Noodletools. So we're going to start off in our waffle. We're going to go to Noodletools. If you haven't gone to Noodletools before, there is an app here. Now, I already have Noodletools opened. I've already created a new project, and I've already got one citation, and it is from the SIRS Issues Researcher. So I am going to add another database article. This one I found in Explora. Okay, it's an article from those databases, and it looks a little bit different. If you go over here on the right, there's if you hover over the different icons, one of them says Cite, and I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring me to the citations. Um, but right here, this is another feature similar to the SIRS databases. We can now export our databases um, citation directly to Noodletools. So I'm going to select Direct Export to Noodletools, and I'm going to click Save. And MLA is already selected, and because I selected it when I created my project, I'm going to select import reference. One reference successfully exported to project gun control. When we go back up to Noodletools, we're going to go to sources again. Or I could have also refreshed. And now here is my second citation, and this one is from the other database. So databases really are have simplified the making of your works cited. If you are able to find articles in databases to do your research, I mean that's the way to go. I don't think it gets any easier than that. So if you need help with anything else, let me know. Good luck.